This module is for class 10th science chapter life processes topic excretion. What is excretion? Excretion is the removal of harmful metabolic waste from an organism's body. The excretory system of human being consists of a pair of kidney, a pair of ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. The functional unit of kidney is known as nephron. Each kidney has number of nephrons. This is the structure of nephron. You can see a cup-like structure at the top known as Bowman's capsule. In this cup-like structure, there is a network of blood capillaries known as glomerulus. From the Bowman's capsule, a long tube-like structure arises, which finally joined with the collecting duct. Now we will study the function of each part of the nephron. Glomerulus, which is a bundle of blood capillaries, it filters the blood. Next part is Bowman's capsule, which is a cup-shaped upper end of nephron. It collects the filtrate, and this filtrate contains nitrogenous waste, and along with this nitrogenous waste, useful substances like sugar, amino acid, salts, and water are also collected. The next part is tubular part, which is a long tube-like structure, and its function is reabsorption of important components like sugar, amino acid, and water. The reabsorption of water depends on how much excess water is there in the body and how much dissolved waste is there in the body. Finally, the fluid is collected in the collecting duct and is known as urine. The urine forming in each kidney finally enter into the ureter, and from the ureter, urine is collected in the urinary bladder. In the urinary bladder, it is stored until the pressure of the expanded bladder lead to the urge to pass it out through the urethra. Thank you.